I brought my DJI Mini 3 Pro with me to Ffryes Beach in Antigua, and this was actually my first time flying it over sand. Honestly, I was a little nervous. Sand can be tricky for drones. It's easy to kick up dust or mess up a landing. And I'm definitely not a pro at catching it in my hand yet, so I kept the landing simple, right on the beach. But surprisingly, it went really well. Ffryes Beach itself is just stunning. It's located on the southwest coast of Antigua, known for its soft white sand and calm, clear turquoise water, that perfect Caribbean color that you see in travel magazines. The vibe there is really laid back and friendly. It's a nice mix of locals and visitors just enjoying the sun, swimming, or lounging under umbrellas. If you're planning to stay a while, renting 2 chairs and an umbrella costs about $20, totally worth it for a day of relaxing by the water. Just a quick tip, the drinks aren't brought out to you on the beach. Instead, there's a small spot called Dennis's Beach Bar, just behind the beach. You've got to go there to grab your drinks, but it's only a short walk. Plus, the drinks are strong enough to make the walk worthwhile. When I was flying the drone over the water, I was definitely a bit nervous. The last thing I wanted was to lose it to the ocean. The open water makes you really focus. And then, out of nowhere, a couple of birds started circling around the drone. They got close enough that I had a mini panic moment. I didn't get any clear shots of them, but if you watch the video carefully, you'll see people on the beach start looking up, probably wondering what was going on. Unfortunately, there's no sound in the footage. That's a bit of a shame because the sounds of the waves, the laughter, and the chatter really add to the atmosphere. But even without sound, the visuals capture that warm, peaceful, and inviting vibe that Antigua is famous for. Towards the end of the video, you get a quick glimpse of Little Ffryes Beach. It's just a bit past Dennis's, a smaller, quieter stretch of sand that feels a little hidden away. I didn't get to spend much time filming there, but even that short glimpse gives you the sense that there's more to explore just around the corner. All in all, it was a great first beach flight with the drone. No crashes, no drama, just beautiful shots of a place that's definitely worth a visit. And yes, even with a couple of curious birds thrown into the mix.